If you're ready to unlock all the advanced features in CapCut Pro but aren't sure how to pay using GCash, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the entire process, so by the end, you'll be able to upgrade your CapCut account using GCash, quickly and confidently. Let's get started. First, we need to initiate your CapCut Pro purchase. Open the CapCut app on your device, or head over to the CapCut website using your browser. Take a look around for the Join Pro or Upgrade section. Don't worry, it's usually featured pretty prominently on the home page or in your account dashboard. Click or tap there, and you'll see the different subscription plans available. If you're unsure which plan to choose, take a moment to compare what fits your content needs. Monthly, yearly, or maybe a family option. Once you've made your pick, move ahead to the checkout. Now, let's select the payment method. You're looking for options that either mention GCash specifically or let you pay via a QR code which GCash can scan. Sometimes it may say e-wallets. That's your clue. Depending on your device, you might start this process on your phone or computer, but CapCut's payment page usually makes it clear. If there's a GCash logo or a QR code option, that's where you want to go. Choosing the compatible payment method will redirect you to where you can actually use GCash. If you're doing this on a desktop and need a QR code, keep your phone handy. You'll need it in a second. Next, open up your GCash app on your smartphone. If you haven't logged in recently, now is a good time, as you'll need access to your account. Make sure your GCash balance is sufficient for the plan you chose, and if not, you might want to top up before moving forward. GCash is popular in the Philippines for a reason. It's fast, secure, and works well for these kinds of online payments. On the CapCut payment page, a QR code should be displayed. In your GCash app, tap the Scan QR feature, which is usually right on the home screen. Point your phone camera at the QR code shown on your browser or CapCut app. Don't worry if it takes a few seconds. Sometimes the camera needs to focus, just like when you're scanning a menu in a restaurant. Once it locks in, GCash will automatically recognize the transaction. Almost there. Review the payment details carefully. Double-check the amount, and make sure it matches your chosen CapCut Pro plan. This is a good chance to confirm that everything's correct, especially if you're paying for a longer subscription period. To finalize the payment, enter your GCash PIN. This step is super important. It ensures only you can authorize the transaction, just like signing for a package. When you confirm, GCash processes the payment securely and quickly. After you receive confirmation, check your CapCut account. You should see immediate access to all the Pro features. These might include advanced editing tools, higher export quality, and even exclusive effects. If you don't see the upgrades right away, don't panic. Sometimes it can take a minute or two for the system to update. Try restarting your app or logging in again just in case. And that's it. You've successfully paid for CapCut Pro using GCash. If this walkthrough helped you out, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Got questions or need extra help? Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to assist. For more easy tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching.